don't even know if I was recording. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. It's India Brian, period. And today we doing, wait a minute. Okay. But anyway, let me show y'all my new lip gloss. Cause this is my new favorite lip gloss. Just $1. It's the mint kind. Period. I love this lip gloss. Okay, but anyway, let me tell y'all what's on the agenda. Should I put on earrings? No, why would I put on earrings? It would be in bunny. Okay, I think I put on too much lip gloss. Okay. Anyways, today, y'all, we got some stuff to do. We need to get our oil change. Ooh, let me see what time that goes. What's today? Today's Wednesday. Okay, they close at 7, period. So today we're going to get our oil changed. First we're going to the car wash. That's first. And then we're going to get our oil changed. I feel like I had something to, we're gonna try the Hottie sauce, period. We're gonna do that. I think, and I need to go to CVS to pick up my prescription. We have 4 things to do today. This is just a day in the life with me. This is what I be doing. It's a whole bunch of nothing, but it's a whole bunch of things that's necessary. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, because why not, you know? I feel like my stomach hurts. But hi guys, we're freaking back, and I have some good news coming in about 2 weeks, hopefully, fingers crossed. I can't tell you guys yet, even though I want to. I've been holding this secret for months, and it's really about that time, honey. So yeah, we're gonna go to the car wash first. I go to the car wash like every 2 weeks, really, because I don't know, I just like it. So yeah, straighten my hair, but it's really like I did it, so it's really not that straight. So I have this ponytail. Y'all can see it. Yeah, period. But I don't know, I like vlogging, so coming back with a vlog today. Which way should I go? I didn't go this way because I'm not flipping on this street. I'm just not. Oh, skirt, we gotta go. I feel like it's something else I need to do. Baby, why is you in the middle of the street? It's almost my birthday too. If y'all didn't know, my birthday's November 23rd. I'm gonna be 23 on the 23rd. Period. Don't play with me. Do not play with me. I'm having a good day. But anyway, I'm gonna listen to some music, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. Oh, I do need to. Okay, hold on. Cause I don't know no more. I had to come back real quick. It's just for a second. Cause my biggest pet peeve is slow drivers. Like, that's one of my biggest pet peeves. If the speed limit say 35, that mean go 40. That mean go at least 35. Why was we going 20 miles an hour on this whole street? Let me make sure the speed limit 35 and I'm not tripping. Let me just make sure. The speed limit 35. We going 20. And now I'm behind them. Oh. Let's see how fast we gonna go on this street. Five? Are you kidding me? We are going 5 miles an hour. I know y'all can see in the back how slow I'm going. Oh, we're at 10 now. We're at 10 miles an hour in a 35. Things like this, you know what? We're just being safe today. I'm not gonna let anything piss me off. But that's just like, why? Why are you driving? Because at that point, if you want to go 10 miles an hour, jog. That's not what cars are for. Yes, please turn, baby. Please turn. You see, and this is my theory. I swear, everybody whose license plate don't have the county you live in, it has "In God We Trust," they can't drive. They can't drive. And every time somebody can't drive, I look at their license plate, and that's what it say. Let's go. I'm not waiting on y'all. But anyway, back to my music. I just had to let y'all know. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, we're at our first destination. We're at the car wash. We're at the motherfucking car wash. We got the motherfucking car wash. Thank you. They so nice here. He ain't spray my car. Anyway, you know, it's time of time. Look at him. He just want to be in the camera so bad. I'm so hot and I don't have no drink. No drink. Okay. And it's my car spray by Decadent Scents, period. It's the Purple Passion. I love this one. And this is what I use. How you see it's blunt spray, but I'm like, my mom makes this. And this is so much better. It lasts longer. It's getting all on me though. Oh, fix my seat. Y'all, I'm hot. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta get some. And lastly, I just gotta I don't want these lights. Like, I had these lights in my car. I don't even use them. I don't. Vitamin C, y'all. Took. Okay. Okay, y'all know I just wiped my car with these. And I'm done. This is my last wipe. Oh, I gotta get some more. Hold on. I wipe literally everything with these, and this is my last one. Didn't I say phase? Come on now. So, we're done. And now we're about to go get my oil change, because my oil change is due at 118,217 miles. We at 118,340, so which way you going? Oh, okay. So yeah, we about to go do that. I don't even know how much oil change even costs. I really don't remember. So 97 degrees, and I'm just not buying it. I'm thirsty. I left my water at the house, and I left it by the staircase. So I'm like, when I go on the way downstairs to grab the water, did I? No, I didn't. But it's a cut off, like a median type of thing, so I can't get over there, so I gotta go all the way back around. Girl, come on, what are you doing? Folks just know how to work my nerves, really. Because it looked like nobody even at the oil change place, which is great. Because last time I got my oil change, it was packed. And I don't really feel like dealing with that right now. Is that one street, it seems like. Like, girl, drive. Okay. Understand people, I really don't. What they done in a quick trip? This look like quick trip. They be taking care of me, and I'm supposed to stop and talk to them. Hi. Oh, they're so sweet. I love it here. Oh wait, because I got a coupon too, because I need my money off. oil change. Yeah. Dang it! I love it. My mom makes them. It's called Decadent Scent. She makes room spray, she makes candles, all types of stuff. It's like $5. For real, for real. Yup.
If you don't mind, I got the money right now. You could either bring it back now.
I'll bring it to you.
That's either now or I'll be here tomorrow, 7:45.
Okay. I'm 118,342. Yeah, because I don't know what I got last time, but that's what I need.
This is all the ones that we have. The last time you
Oh, okay. Okay. It's $90?
it'll be your car, I believe, $95.17.
Okay.
Alright, so whenever you want to be able
Oh no, sorry. Oh. They get, you know I be speeding. Oil light? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I always just go by the little sticker. I don't know. They so nice. Huh? Okay guys, so we back on the road. Well, last time you see me, I had got my car washed and I got my oil changed. And I made a sale. Yeah, boom. I think in the video y'all heard the girl asking me about the spray that y'all see me spray in the car. And I told y'all it's my mom's business. So shout out to Decadent Scents. I'm on my way to drop the girl off the same spray that I have in my car because she just loved it. She was like, when I rolled down the window, it just hit her, period. So make sure y'all go shop Decadent Scents, period. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. And this is the spray. It's Purple Passion. So yeah, I'm on the way back to her so I could give her the go girl out my way, so her car could be smelling good, period. That just let y'all know how good it smells. She said when I rolled down the window. Yeah, and that's what we like. That's what we like, because it's giving. Who spray, you know, gives like that. I'm tired though. Like when I get back home, I'm going to sleep. Don't you dare. I'm going to sleep. I'm gonna watch my little show, kick back. I need, look at all the folks at Popeyes. I'm gonna go to Popeyes later and get my hot girl sandwich with the sauce. Girl, that line wrapped around the corner. No, I wasn't finna go there right now. So yeah. Wonder how y'all's day is going. Oh my god, my freaking last video, the what's in my bag, got 100 views. I'm so excited. Like, that's such maybe like a small amount of views to y'all, to whoever's watching, to any big YouTuber, but that's my first 100 views on a video, and I'm so excited. I'm just so happy. I was not expecting that video to do that good. Like, I was really just bored, and I had got a new bag. My boyfriend bought the bag, actually. So I know in the video I kept saying I got, but he bought it for me. I just picked it out. So shout out to my boyfriend for buying my bag. So yeah, yeah, bought the bag, and I just put my stuff in the bag, and I was like, I should make a video and tell the folks what's in the bag. But it was just something to do. I didn't think the video was gonna do that good, and that was my best video on the channel in the shortest amount of time at that. Like, I got videos. My first video on the channel was a year ago, and that's when I wasn't consistent either, but I think it got like 20 something views. Most of my videos got 20 something views. I got one video that got like 45 views. That was my most viewed video. But this one got 100 views in like 5 days. So shout out to everybody that watched. I'm grateful of y'all. I'm so excited. I don't know how much that means to me. So yeah, I was excited. Boom. We need some lip gloss. Ooh. Are we swerving now? Are we swerving? I need a lip gloss. Why was you going that slow though? Like, what was the point? We finna pull up now. Turn the car, man. So, yeah, we're back at the oil place, so she can get her oil. And her name's Jada. Shout out to Jada. She was so nice to me. Also, where's she at? Ooh, I'm gonna have to get out, because one thing about it, I'm not about to wait in this line. Cause I don't know where she went. I don't know where she went. So I'm gonna have to get out. I'm trying to see if I see her. I don't even see her. Is she on break? I told her I'll be back. Okay. Hold on. Y'all, my friend got in trouble. So I waited for her to come to the car because she said she had messed up on something. So I guess she's gonna cash at me the money, so she don't want to get on her phone to cash at me the money. at this moment because she messed up something, so she gotta go fix it first, and then she gonna come to me. She's such a sweet girl though. So yeah, that's our life right now. We're just waiting. I guess is this the end of the video? No, I gotta still try the sandwich. So I'm gonna hit y'all back up when I get the food later. I'm gonna try it for y'all and tell y'all what I think about it. So until then, hi guys.
Hey y'all.
This is my man.
Hey, how you doing?
You love me, bro.
Yes, I do. I love her very much.
I'm gonna tell you.
No.
We finally got our stuff. Period. Try sauce.
You see, I got chicken tenders and sandwich. Nah, for real. I made some sauce just like this. This is my sauce. This is just finesse sauce. Put a little kick to it.
This is some good. This is good.
It's good though. I don't care. I already made something like that. But mine's got that little extra ingredient to it though. So once I start making my sauce, y'all come fuck with me too.
Watch them out.
Come mess with me.
Period. And we got some strawberry lemonades. Now this sauce busting. I got the sandwich. Ooh. Oh. Oh.
Yo, this sauce kind of tough though. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Let me taste it.
If it wasn't for her foot, I'd say she put her foot in this one.
I like it. Is this a mukbang?
Hmm?
This is a mukbang.
What's them up, man?
What we eat?
Oh yeah. This shit good.
I always wanted to do a mukbang.
You did, man.
When?
With the fruit. We had the chicken tenders and whatever you was eating at your brother's house.
Okay, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That one, I guess. And I got red beans and rice and coleslaw.
Yeah, I need to shout out to the lemonade. They froze the lemonade. Bless her. You want me to chicken tenders? Look, what chicken tender is this?
Fake.
Hey man, this shit look like a processed fish stick. But hey, we never ate all that real chicken. Now we eating the fake chicken, you know what I mean? Hey, I eat anything, that looks good.
It's busted.
I mean, the sauce making the chicken tenders good. Other than that, chicken tenders nasty.
Really? They look
Dry.
crispy.
That is dry.
That's good though. So yes. I like it.
Yeah, I heard you eat that biscuit for that biscuit get dry.
Right? I'm so happy. I was so upset like 5 minutes ago.
You ain't had your Snickers.
And make sure y'all subscribe to our channel. Because we're going to be posting again.
Very soon.
Probably at the end of the year. Hopefully. Or the beginning of the year. Soon. Jug and Pandy. Are you excited? I'm hot.
Been hot.
Anyway, thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video, okay? You gotta say anything? Period.